Well, eighth grade, chicos, chicas. Here's what we're looking at right now. Our interrogatives, question words. We'll turn it into a bit of a song, and it's like we're going downstairs here. So, por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. So essentially, por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. Hey, por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. Por qué, why, cuando, when, qué, what, donde, where, cuánto, how much, como, how, and quién means who is there. Ciao, ciao.